is what is happening in our life right now, even as we speak. There's a spark of the divine in the chest of everyone who is listening to me. Listen to that spark. That is your divine spark. I refuse to accept the proposition that because the Philippines is small, we shall always be a poor country. This is one of the richest countries in the entire planet. If China is so adamant about getting our part of the seas, which it has named the South China Sea, although we have named it the West Philippine Sea, it's not because of the fish. It's because of what lies under the sea. On the seabed, there are untold stories of fortunes that will be made from the oil and the natural gas under the West Philippine Sea, plus all the materials necessary for industrialization. Magnetite is the most common example, but we are also very rich in silver, in copper, in bronze, in nickel. So we are one of the richest countries in the world. One day, when we are all long gone, our successors will wonder that we ever doubted ourselves, because we have been gifted by our God with one of the richest treasure troves of natural resources in the entire planet. That is why you must join the fight in social media for the next election. Every single individual is part of this republic, and if you let it alone, it will go to perdition. But if you continue to fight for your country, if you love your country, and want it to be the country of all our desires, then use the social media